Most keyboards look the same. Black slab, some RGB under the keys, done. The YUNZII AL65 glows from every direction, under the keys, around the size, 360 degrees, full aluminium body, hollow cut design, and it costs $129. Let me show you if it's actually worth it. Hey, welcome back to Tech Duo. We review keyboards and tech, and we try to keep it honest. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button right now. We post keyboard reviews every week, and the next one might be exactly what you are looking for. Today, YUNZII AL65 full aluminium 360-degree RGB, $129. I have been using it for a few days. Here is our honest take. Quick things before we start. Use code YUNZII at YUNZII checkout for off. Link always in the description. Okay, let's go. Design and build. The AL65 is made from CNC anodized aluminum. It feels like a premium product the second you pick it up. Solid, heavy, no flex at all. The design has a hollow cut along both sides of the case. This is not just for looks. The RGB shines through these cuts in all directions, not just upward through the keys. In the dark room, this keyboard is genuinely one of the best looking things on a desk. 360 degrees surround lighting, 18 million colors, fully customizable for RGB lovers. This is one of the best keyboards. The 65% layout means no numpad, no function row, arrow keys are there, delete is there, everything you actually need, it is there. Available in white and black, both look clean. My unit is black and it looks excellent, I think. Let me type a little so you can hear it. The AL65 comes with milk-wheat version 2 linear switches, smooth like prolonged from the factory. The sound is creamy, not too loud, not too quiet. In the middle. Inside there are 5 layers of sound dampening foam. The result is deep, throaty sound that feels expensive. For $160 keyboard, this is genuinely impressive out of the box. The keyboard is hot swappable, 3-pin and 5-pin compatible. So if you want a different feel later, but the switches pull the switches out, put new ones in. No soldering needed. The gasket mount adds a solid bounce to every keystroke. It is not super bouncy, the aluminium plate keeps it firm, but there is enough flex to make long typing session comfortable. By the way, if you are enjoying this review, subscribe. I am comparing this against the IQNX Magic 65 Pro very soon. 2 aluminum keyboards, similar price, very different experience. Subscribe so you catch that one. Also code YUNZII for $10 off, link below. What about connections? 3 connection modes, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth and wired USB Type-C. All work perfectly in our testing. The battery is 8000 mAh, one of the biggest in this price range. You will charge this keyboard maybe once a month, but it depends how how often you use RGB. Software is QMK and VIA. This is the best keyboard customization platform available right now. So you can remap every key, create macros, change RGB, all in the browser, no download. Your settings save directly to the keyboard, so you can take away your settings. What I like: full aluminium built at $129. This is rare at this price. The hollow RGB design is genuinely unique. Nothing else looks like this. Sound is excellent straight out of the box. 5 layers of dampening. 8,000 mAh battery, you forget it needs charging. QMK and VIA support best software in the keyboard world right now. But what could be bad in this keyboard? It is heavy, around 1.2 kilograms, not for travel. No knob. If you want a volume deal, look at the AL66 instead or something like another. Only 2 color options, white and black. Bluetooth polling is limited compared to 2.4 GHz. Is the YUNZII AL65 worth $129? I think yes, especially if you care about how your setup looks. Full aluminium body, 360-degree RGB, creamy sound, QMK support. You usually pay $200 or more for all of this together. The only real downside is the weight. If you need something to carry around, this is not the right keyboard, but on a desk, it is one of the best looking and best sounding keyboard at this price. Next video, the Iconics Megi 65 Pro. Same price range as AL65, but completely different keyboard. I think you are going to be surprised by the result. Hit subscribe if you have not already. That video is coming very soon, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Remember, code YUNZII for $10 off the AL65, link in the description. One last thing, drop a comment right now, please. RGB or no RGB, where do you stand? We read every single comment, so let us know. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye!